Hey there, homeowners. Welcome back to another intriguing episode of Goettl Homeowner Tips. I'm Henry Rodriguez, and today we're about to dive into a duel that's, well, not so clean. Hard water and drains. Get ready to explore how these two unlikely companions can wreak havoc on your plumbing system. As hard water flows down your drain, soap, grease, and other chemicals attached to the hard mineral deposits stuck to your pipe surfaces, gradually building up over time. That's when the real trouble begins. Limescale buildup can lead to reduced water flow, slow drains, and even stubborn clogs. But fear not, we're here to help you navigate the dirty duel and keep your drains flowing smoothly. Let's talk prevention. Here are some tips to break up the partnership between hard water and your drains. Using a water softener can help reduce mineral buildup, while regular use of enzyme-based drain cleaners can prevent clogs. And don't forget the power of professional maintenance. Our skilled technicians can perform regular drain cleaning and maintenance to keep your plumbing system in top shape. There you have it, folks, the lowdown between hard water and drains. So by arming yourself with knowledge and proactive measures, you can prevent the buildup and clogs that this duel might try to throw your way. Thanks for joining us on Goettl Homeowner Tips, your partner in maintaining a clean and efficient home. So until next time, may your drains be clear and clog-free.